In addition to macro market reasons, BYD has done several things quite well, providing the necessary conditions for success. BYD's product categories covers a complete range of models. Their product matrix includes family sedans, mid to high-end cars, SUVs, and more. Secondly, their core technology and leading independent research and development are significant. Their ability to vertically integrate throughout the supply chain is because they own critical components and key assembly pieces. BYD's proportion of components independently controlled has reached 75%, which is much higher than that of ordinary companies.
它有纯电。中国新能源汽车这个产业，如果作为上下游，做一个
From an upstream and downstream industrial chain perspective, the development of China's NEV industry in the future is still very noteworthy. It can play a significant role in driving and pulling the economy ahead. China's automotive industry volume is 30 million units, with a global volume close to 100 million. China's automotive industry will not only drive China's domestic market, but also overseas market. I believe many representatives at the two sessions will also discuss topics related to NEVs. I am optimistic about the positive impact of NEVs on the future of the economy, and I am looking forward to hearing more voices and promoting more policies and directions to support this industry.
是记录这样一个时间窗口。当然，就是大家不要忽视是说。
Of course, Tesla still has a spot here in the Chinese market. They ranked second in sales in February. Each enterprise has their own characteristics and advantages. I believe they will coexist in the market for a long time and have their own target audience. BYD's overseas strategy has just started, which still challenged Tesla. But in the Chinese market, the two companies are very successful and are doing very well.